Have you ever wondered why so many of life's greatest truths are hidden in the simplest stories? Today, I want to dive into one of the most profound parables ever told, the parable of the fisherman's net. Picture this: a tall, kind-eyed man in a white toga, standing by a quiet lakeshore. He's surrounded by friends, dressed in darker robes, their faces eager for wisdom. Fishing boats sway gently in the background, nets drying in the sun. The man begins, "The kingdom of heaven is like a net cast into the sea. It gathers fish of every kind, not just the best or the brightest, every kind. Now, when the net is full, the fishermen haul it ashore. They sit down, sorting the good fish into baskets and tossing the rest away. That's it. Simple, right? But here's where the real wisdom kicks in. See, the net doesn't discriminate. It welcomes everything into its embrace, just like compassion, just like grace. But when the time is right, there's a sorting. Jesus tells that the angels will sort out the wicked who will be thrown into the burning fiery furnace. What do I need to let go? This parable isn't just about the end of days or who's in and who's out. It's a call to self-reflection, to gather all our experiences, the good and the bad, and sift through them with honesty and love. So next time you see a fisherman casting his net, remember, within that simple act lies a hidden invitation to welcome, to discern, and to grow. If you found wisdom in this parable, share it with someone who needs a gentle reminder today. Praise be to God.